Setting up email to case in Salesforce allows you to automatically convert customer emails into cases, streamlining your support process. Whether you're a new user or looking to improve your setup, I'm going to walk you through this quick and easy guide, so stay with me to the end. And I'll also share how you can use Salesforce for free with an exclusive bonus offer. First thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Setup area in Salesforce. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in Setup, type Email to Case in the Quick Find box. You'll see an option to select Email to Case under the Service section. Click on that to start the process. Next, you'll be prompted to decide if you want to use On-Demand Email to Case or the standard Email to Case. I recommend using the on-demand version if you want an easier setup and don't mind using Salesforce's servers to process the emails. This is great for smaller teams or businesses just starting to integrate the feature. If you're handling a large volume of cases, you might want to go for the standard version, which requires more configuration but offers more customization. The third thing is configuring the email addresses that Salesforce will use to capture cases. You can create an email address specifically for support, for example, support@yourcompany.com. Salesforce will give you a unique email address to direct customer emails into your system. You'll need to configure your email system to forward those support emails to Salesforce, and once that's done, Salesforce will automatically create a case from each incoming email. Now, let's move on to defining your case assignment rules. This part is crucial to ensure the right people on your team are handling cases as they come in. Go into the Case Assignment Rules section in Salesforce and make sure you've set up criteria for routing cases to the appropriate agents based on specific keywords or the case's urgency. Next thing, you'll need to customize the case page layout to display the most relevant information for your team. You'll want the case origin, email thread, and other case details to be visible at a glance so your agents can respond quickly. This is especially helpful when they're juggling multiple cases at once. The fifth thing is setting up email notifications. Salesforce allows you to customize email alerts so that both agents and customers are notified when a case is created or updated. This ensures that no customer query goes unanswered for too long and your team stays on top of new cases. Lastly, test your setup. It's always important to send a test email to your dedicated support email address to verify that the cases are being created correctly, routed to the right agents, and that notifications are working. This will save you time and headaches down the road. And before you go, remember, you can use Salesforce for free by clicking the first link in the description below, where you can also grab an exclusive extended trial with some amazing bonuses. This will give you the perfect chance to dive into all of Salesforce's powerful features without any risk. That's it. You've now set up email to case in Salesforce, and your support process is streamlined and ready for action. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that free trial.